So I created this app using Python, and it's a Nashville numbering display app that you can connect with your MIDI controller, namely a keyboard. So essentially, it's very easy to send videos to people like friends, maybe if you're an MD, a piano player, or just a musician, sending to another fellow musician how to play a song or a section of a song. Sometimes it's easier rather than reading numbers or tabs, or just to know exactly where the hits are or the pushes or how the song goes, to send a quick video of the numbers. And so let me show you how this app works. The first step would be selecting the menu, the MIDI controller. So here's mine, and if it was in use for another program, it would say in use, and so you can close the other program and refresh it here. And so let me just give you a very quick demo before going into these features of what it does. And so I'm just going to play the piano here, my MIDI controller, and as you can see already on the screen, you're seeing a preview of the numbers. It's not the actual keys or the names of the keys, or not even chords. It's just the number system. So let's see what you can do here. The root key. So for starters, right now by default it's C. That's the C major scale. If I move it to D, then the D will now turn into 1. And same for anything G, and so on. Let me go back to C just for ease sake here. And then number remains displayed with the key release. So sometimes there are songs like CCM, which are songs that kind of draggy, and it stays in the same key or same number for a long time. So instead of you holding it this whole time, you can let go. So if I enable this by checking it, hold it, let go, my hands are not pressing it and it's still there. And then later on 5, then you wait till the song goes 6, and so on. Or otherwise, if you can uncheck this, and if you need it really emphasize in the video the bounciness, the ba 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 5 ba da 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 da, whatever it may be, just for whatever fits the song, you can choose that. And then the off scale label. So when you get off scale, do you want it to be sharp? Do you want it to be, I know the flat is the most common, so let's go flat 7. Here it is, and all the flats. So this will be, flat 2, and then if you change it to sharp, it'll be, 1 sharp. It's your preference there. So essentially, how you can use this is this app here. I made it kind of tall so that you can screen record using whichever screen recorder you prefer, this square section here, and send over the song to somebody in a video. I'm going to give you a very quick example here, perfect example. I'll do an example of a bass, and then how you can also do it for a guitar. It's best for bass and guitar. I'm sorry, it's best for bass and piano. Sometimes you can get away with the guitar if it's a lot of kind of licks and things like that. But otherwise, it's just going to be the numbers to know where the chords are at. So first of all, this song I'm going to preview, it's in B. So if I go to B, now B is our 1. And the song that I'm going to play here starting on the 4. So let's take a look for the bass part here. Okay, so I'm paused right there. So perfect example of what you can do with this. I just send the bass notes over to somebody. This is the outro. It could be, just this one outro. I don't know how to do it. It could be the whole song. Normally it's the whole song. Now let's try if I were to give the numbers to guitar player. You can use the full range of your MIDI controller. It just loops back to all of the scales and all the octaves. So I'm going to start up here then for the guitar part. So let's see that part. Okay, so obviously I messed up a lot there, but you get the point. What I'm trying to say is, if there are specific licks, you can visualize that for somebody. You can show that visually to somebody with these numbers as opposed to chords, and you can send it to everybody. And if the key changes of the song, you can still send the same video because it's the number system. But yeah, you can probably see a lot of different applications yourself already. Just thought I'd make this. It really has helped me, so I thought I'd share this. And if you're a developer, you have the access to the full code of the Python, and if you want, you can extend it, do whatever you want with the repo in my GitHub. Or if you just want to download the exe, right now it's only for Windows, you can also download it in the GitHub as well. So yeah, I hope it helps somebody.